Hello, this is Peter, your Pinoy accountant. So in this video, magbabayad tayo ng BIR taxes natin using Maya. So open yung Maya ninyo sa inyong cellphone and mag-login kayo. Once naka-login na kayo, itap nyo yung bills. There. At hanapin nyo yung government. Itap nyo yung government. And piliin nyo yung Bureau of Internal Revenue. And ito may konting reminders sa BIR TIN structure. So ito yung sample TIN tsaka yung 3-digit branch code. Usually yung 3-digit branch code is 000 lang. So yung first 9-digit is the TIN proper and the remaining actually 5 digits na yung last but 00000 lang ilalagay natin. So input nyo yung TIN. Ito, yung first 9 numbers, then the TIN branch code. So that would be 00000. 5 0. And enter nyo yung amount, kung magkano yung tax na due. So in our example, 1,000, but be sure lang na may sapat na amount yung wallet ninyo. So 300 na lang yung example natin. And then select nyo yung RDO code ninyo. So, RDO 22. And then form series. So, 1701 yung ating annual income tax. So, piliin nyo, 1701. And tax type, income tax. And then, yung end ng calendar year is December 31, 2024. Return period. So, yung email, input nyo yung email dito because dito ipapadala ng Maya yung inyong payment receipt. So, input nyo yung email and then continue. So, ito, review nyo lang yung details, yung TIN, yung bill amount, and may convenience fee sila na 20 pesos, yung TIN branch code, form type 1701, ayan, form series, RDO code 022, tax type IT, and return period December 31, 2024. So, if tama lahat ng details, i-proceed nyo lang. Tap nyo yung pay button sa baba. And once na successfully nakapagbayad na kayo, you will receive payment receipt from Maya. You will receive sa email, so check nyo yung email nyo and isave nyo yung payment receipt as this will be your proof of payment naman na nakapagbayad na kayo ng inyong income tax. So, yun lang yung video natin for today. Thank you again for watching and don't forget to subscribe and if may tanong kayo, comment down below.